Now that we have created an account, we are going to log in and create an order. You will log in by putting your username here and your password here and clicking on Login. Please remember that prices and material availability are subject to change. When you log in, your screen will look something like this. Any outstanding invoices and orders you're working on will show up here. To create a new order, you can do it one of two ways. You can come to this shopping cart icon and click on Create New Order, or you can come down to the bottom and click on Create New Order. And this brings up the catalog. On the right-hand side will be your information on this order. You can add an order name. In this case, I'm going to add bathroom because I'm going to work on adding cabinets to a bathroom. And in the catalog, I'm going to start by choosing vanity cabinets. This vanity sink base combo I've chosen shows up here. It does not come with a top. I'm going to choose a dark Italian walnut with a slab door. I can change the quantity of these items if I'd like, and sometimes the sizes. In this case, this product only comes in one size, so there's only one option. And I won't be choosing a finished end because this item will be placed in a bathroom where there's a wall on the left-hand side and a wall on the right-hand side. I do not need a finished end. And then my subtotal calculates out to the right. And if I scroll down a little bit, I can continue adding to this order. So I'm going to add a bath linen to this order. And when it brings it up, you can scroll up and see what you have already added. It just adds it to the bottom as we go. So I'm going to change the color again to match what I've already been working on. I'm going to keep my quantity at 1. And in this case, I can choose a different size. And also for this bath linen, where it will be placed in my bathroom is on the right-hand side, there is a wall. I will not need a finished end. But on the left-hand side, it is exposed. So I would like to add a left finished end to this product. So again, the subtotal calculates out to the side. You can click on this trash icon to delete a product from your order. And you can click on this copy product icon in order to add an item of the same to your order. If you want to duplicate a bath linen and make one exactly the same, you can just click on this copy product. When you scroll to the bottom, you can see your subtotal. And at this point, I'm going to save my changes. And when I do that, it will save my order in the bid status. No one will start working on this at the Mandina shop until it has been ordered in full, which means it's been paid for. So I'm going to click on Save Changes. And now you can see your order. You can look at what an invoice for this order will look like. Once you complete the order, you can see that it's in the bid status. And that is how you create an order.